This is the June OK Beauty box. This edit is called Good to Go. Let's see if we are good to go. Hi there guys, and welcome to my channel. I hope you're all doing very well today. Today's video we have this. Don't mind that, I've just tore my address off. This is the June OK Beauty box. Let's rip this open. So if you have not already, if you want to hit that subscribe button, come and join my YouTube family. I would love to have you. Hit that notification bell as well. It'll just let you know whenever I upload any videos. And of course, if you like this video, which I really hope that you do, please remember to smash that thumbs up button. It really helps my channel out. We have reached 2,000 subscribers. Thank you so much for those of you that have subscribed. And for those that haven't subscribed, which is quite a large percentage of my viewers, which is shocking enough, but there is a giveaway. So there's incentive for you to subscribe because only my subscribers can enter it. I'll link a video here. In that video, it has instructions on how you can enter the giveaway. The main prize is the glossy 2021 advent calendar, which is just simply amazing. But let's get on with this. So here is the box. This costs £15 per month. I found a code on their website where you can get your first ever box for £4.95, I believe. I will link the website and the link and everything down in the information box if you are interested. But this is inside the box. We have the edit card with all the information on the products in here, which is great. We have a leaflet. There is a little sneak peek for you. So it said that this box is worth £115, I think I read somewhere. But yeah, let's have a proper dig through to see exactly what we've got. So it just says on the edit card, this edit is called Good to Go. And yeah, let's just dig in for the first product, which is this. This is by the brand Magnitone, and these are wipe out swipes. You get a pack of 2. The RRP for this is £8. Really great brand. Magnitone is a really great affordable brand. Just really sick of getting these wipe things. But it just says here, now there's no need for heavy bottles of makeup remover and endless disposable cotton pads. Instead, just pack these 2 eco-friendly cleansing pads. They're made from super soft machine washable microfiber material and cleverly remove all traces of makeup with just warm water. So I do love getting these wipes, I do. But the thing is, I've got hundreds of them in a cupboard because I've received so many from all the beauty boxes that I unbox. So it's nothing new, unfortunately. But they look the same too. So nothing really exciting about this product. I would love to receive a different product by Magnitone, because like I say, they're a great brand and do different items, so it would be nice to experience some different items. The second product we have is this. So this is by the brand Stella, and this is Rose Spray. This is travel size and it's worth £5. It just says this fragrance face mist is perfect for giving skin an extra layer of moisture. Whether used as part of your morning or evening skincare routine or spritz throughout the day, it's also ideal for spraying during flights when the air conditioning can seriously dehydrate your skin. So again, I've received this a few times, not as many times as the wipeout swipes, but I have received this a few times now, and I actually really do enjoy it. Again, it would be nice to experience some other products from Stella and Grace. Yeah, but not a bad product to get, I suppose. Third product we have is this. So this is Pure by Mudmasky, and it's saved by the scrub for underarms. This is a full-size product. It is worth £20, and it just says the product you never knew you needed, but once you try it, it'll quickly become a summer essential. This unique scrub mask hybrid is specially designed to cleanse and exfoliate the underarm area. with colloid clay and coffee powder. It helps to remove odour causing bacteria. So okay, I do like Mudmasky. I really love their products. I love their hair stuff. It's actually quite good, and they do some good face masks as well. So it's actually really nice to get something different by Mudmasky. And yeah, I am certainly intrigued by this product, and I can't wait to try it out. So yeah, looks like my underarms are going to get a good pampering session. Product 4 is, if I can get it, is this. So this is by the brand Water Luxury Skincare, and this is vitamin C, glycerin, almond oil, face oil serum. And this is full size, and this has an RRP of £49.99. Wow. It just says, if you're prone to pesky pigmentation flare-ups as soon as the sun comes out, yes. A good vitamin C serum should be an essential in your skincare routine. This one combines the powerful antioxidant with glycerin and almond oil to leave the skin looking hydrated, radiant and even skin tone. So yeah, I've actually been using 2 other products that I've received from other beauty boxes by this brand, and I've been loving them actually. So when I moved house, I just packed a little cosmetics bag, and it was 2 products by this brand that I just hide in there. And yeah, super excited to try this. I love vitamin C because of my pigmentation. So yeah, really excited to get using this straight away. I think I'm going to start using that tonight. 5th and final product we have is this. So this is by the brand Paul, is it Yakumine? Yakumine? I think that's how you say it. I've got no idea, probably wrong. And this is Solarium Sun C and Chlorine Protection for Hair. This is a full size product. It is worth, does that say £28? I think that says £28. It just says you may have got your skin protection sorted, but it's just as important to protect your hair from UV rays, which can dry out strands and cause colour to fade. This blend of oils protects hair from sun damage whilst also deeply conditioning. It smells incredible too. Have we received this from another beauty box? Have we? Or was it by the same brand but a different product? I know, actually looking at it, I don't think we have. We didn't have a spray, the other one. I don't think. But here it is. I am super excited to try this. I love trying stuff on my hair. Although I do try and stay out the sun as much as possible because of my pigmentation, and I get hot and bothered, so you'll find me in some shady corner somewhere with a nice cool cocktail in my hand. But yeah, I think I've had a few items from this brand and I think that I've liked them. But yeah, we'll have to give that a go and see what we think. Right, guys, so this is the June OK Beauty box. This edit is called Good to Go. What do you think? Personally, this box is touch and go. Definitely touch and go. So this thing for the hair, which is, what did I say that was worth? £28. Yes, it's full size. It's very small for a full size. But yeah, I'm actually excited to see how that works. The vitamin C is, yes, £50. Is that one £50? It certainly is. It's nice to get something different by this brand, because like I say, I'm using 2 other products at the moment, so that is a good product. And wow, the price. The other good one is the Mudmasky one. So lots of people think Mudmasky have been done to death, and some of the products, yes, but they do lots of other products. It would be great to try, and it's good to get something else by Mudmasky here. So really excited to try that out. And again, £20. The other 2 products, which is the Wipeout Swipes, done to death. I have just about had enough of these now. Really not impressed with these. Lovely brand, would love to see other products by this brand in the beauty boxes. And Grace and Stella, again, lovely brand. I love their eye mask that they do. Yeah, but they do lovely products. I have had this before. I do like it. I know I like it, so maybe I shouldn't complain, but I've had this a few times now in a few different boxes, so it looks like this is going to be making the rounds as well. overall, it is a thumbs up, but there's some products there that need work. Let's just leave it at that. But yeah, what are your thoughts? Please comment below. Do you get this box? If not, if you are interested, I'll pop the link for the website down below in the information box. I found a link on their website, which I think it gets your box for £4.95. So yeah, use that. Definitely save some money. But that concludes this video. So if you have not already, hit that subscribe button, smash that thumbs up button, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.